If you've been wondering how to edit in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics step by step so you can open a diagram, change text, add shapes, connect objects, customize your design, and share your finished work with confidence. Whether you're editing a flowchart, a mind map, an org chart, or any other type of diagram, Lucidchart makes the process simple once you know where everything is. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Lucidchart and log in with your account. Once you're inside, you can either open an existing diagram you've already created or start fresh with a new one. If you're editing something that already exists, just click on the file and wait for the canvas to load. This is the main workspace where all of your shapes, text, and connectors will appear. Now let's start with editing text. This is one of the most common things people need to change in Lucidchart. To edit text inside a shape or text box, simply double-click on it. Once the text is active, type your new wording. You can replace the old text completely or make small changes depending on what you need. When you're finished, click outside the object to save the change. It's that easy. Next, let's add shapes. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Shapes panel. This panel gives you access to different types of diagram elements, depending on the kind of document you're building. To add one, click and drag a shape onto the canvas, then drop it exactly where you want it. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to build out your diagram. After that, you'll want to connect shapes together. This is especially useful for flowcharts and process diagrams. First, click the shape you want to connect. Then hover over one of the little connection arrows on the edge of the shape. When you see it, click and drag the arrow toward another shape. Release your mouse to create the connector line. Lucidchart will automatically link the objects, helping you map out relationships and workflows clearly. Now let's talk about moving and resizing objects. To move anything on the canvas, just click the object to select it and drag it to a new position. If you want to change its size, grab one of the corner handles and drag inward or outward. This lets you make shapes larger, smaller, taller, or wider, depending on your layout. A clean arrangement can make your diagram much easier to read. Once your objects are in place, you can customize them. Select a shape, line, or text box, and then look at the toolbar at the top. From there, you can change colors, fonts, borders, line styles, and other visual details. This is where you can make your diagram look more polished and professional. If you're making a presentation-ready chart, this step really helps everything stand out. If you need to remove something, deleting objects is just as simple. Click on the item you want to remove, then press Delete on your keyboard. You can also right-click the object and choose Delete from the menu. That makes it easy to clean up mistakes or remove elements that are no longer needed. As your diagram gets bigger, organization becomes more important. You can drag objects around to rearrange them and improve the layout. If you need to work with several items at once, select multiple objects so you can align or group them together. Taking a few extra moments to organize everything will make your diagram look much more structured and professional in the end. Finally, when your diagram is ready, you can share it with other people. Just click Share in the top right corner. From there, you can enter email addresses or copy a share link. You can also choose whether other people can view the diagram or edit it. That gives you full control over how your work is shared. So that's how to edit in Lucidchart. You now know how to open a diagram, edit text, add shapes, connect elements, customize the design, delete items, organize the layout, and share your finished diagram. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.